Let's work through a genetic cross. In this example, pure-breeding mutant brown-eyed flies mate with pure-breeding normal flies which have red-brown eyes. These flies are called the parental or P generation. The resulting hybrids, the offspring of these different parents, have red-brown eyes. These flies are called the first filial or F1 generation. Step 1. What are the different alleles and their symbols? The parents differ in one gene determining eye color. In Drosophila flies, the allele symbol is based on the mutant character. Here the mutant is called BW, which is short for brown. The normal allele is BW+. As a side note, the actual BW gene encodes a membrane transporter necessary for importing guanine into the pigment cells of the eyes. This is a necessary precursor for making the red pigment. Step 2. What copies of the genes do the diploid parents have? Each parent has 2 copies of the gene. The parents are pure breeding. This means that they have been maintained through multiple generations of inbreeding, which means the 2 copies of the gene will be the same, i.e. they are homozygous. The parent with brown eyes is BW-BW. The parent with red-brown eyes is BW+, BW+. Step 3. What alleles are present in the haploid gametes from the parents? Meiosis results in haploid gametes that contain only one set of the genes prior to mating. Each gamete from the flies with brown eyes will contain a single copy of the BW gene, while each gamete from the flies with red-brown eyes will contain a single copy of the BW+ gene. Step 4. What combination of alleles is present in the hybrid following the combination of alleles present in the parental gametes? The haploid gametes, sperm and eggs, fuse to form zygotes, the diploid offspring of the parents. In this case, the hybrids have the constitution BW, BW+. Because the 2 alleles are different, the hybrid is heterozygous. Step 5. What allele appears to have the dominant influence on the appearance of the hybrid? The BW and BW+ alleles affect the eye color of the flies. The hybrid flies are BW, BW+, and have red-brown eyes, resembling the eye color of the BW+, BW+ parent. This shows that the BW+ allele is dominant over the recessive BW allele. In this case, just having a single copy of the normal BW+ allele is sufficient for the red pigment to get into the eyes. Step 6. What alleles are present in the haploid gametes of the F1 generation? Once the hybrid has grown and formed gametes, the haploid gametes will have either the BW or BW+ alleles in equal frequency. Going through this checklist is a useful way of understanding some of the basic processes of genetics. It can also be helpful when trying to understand problems in which the genetic basis of traits that are not well characterized is trying to be understood.